Okay, let's do some cleaning today. I don't like harsh chemicals, so I use distilled vinegar, distilled white vinegar a lot. You can actually put that in your dishwasher instead of buying an actual rinse to put in there. It saves you money and it also makes your dishes sparkle. I've been using this for years and it works great. And also, you can clean your coffee pot with it, regardless if you have a percolator like I have. Yes, they still make those. You can order that on Amazon, or if you have a glass coffee pot. This definitely gets the job done. I use about a half a cup of the vinegar to put in my water that I use to clean my sleep apnea equipment with. It is recommended that you use Dawn to clean these, but you can also use vinegar. And when I would use the Dawn, I would actually smell the Dawn no matter how much I rinsed it. And with the vinegar, it works wonderful and it smells clean. And if you're allergic to detergents, you can use vinegar in your laundry. It doesn't leave your clothes smelling like vinegar. It smells really fresh and clean. And it softens your clothes. I add a couple of tablespoons of vinegar to some water in order to clean my makeup brushes as well, along with a drop of Dawn dish detergent. I add about 1 cup of the vinegar to my mop water and use this on my wood floors, and this really makes them shine. I also use vinegar in my hair about twice a month to strip the product buildup out of it. It makes your hair so soft, shiny, and manageable. I just pour some through my hair, leave it on for about a minute, and then I will shampoo and rinse that and condition like I always do. And here's my tip for you: if you can't stand the smell of vinegar, add your favorite essential oil to it. Like distilled vinegar has so many uses. I think a lot of us know you can do baking soda and vinegar in your drink. You can add a teaspoon to a cup of milk and replace buttermilk in recipes. You can also use it to wash your fruits and vegetables. It's also a great bug repellent. This white distilled vinegar keeps you from buying a lot of expensive products. And if any of you have some different uses for white distilled vinegar, I would love to hear them.